Hello, this is a video that's part of the admin series for Seesaw administrators. This video will display how to add a co-teacher to a class. So sign in to your admin account, going through your Google, your at Jeffco Schools. We signed up all of the admins with their at Jeffco. Click the Teachers tab, hover over the teacher's name, and then click Edit Teacher on the right-hand side. Scroll down, click Add to Class, and then all you have to do is click on the green Add to Class button for each of the classes that this teacher will be teaching or co-teaching.